Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 5, the third lesson, using financial functions. So this is a document you should have opened up, and the first thing it says, a loan analysis table ensures you to see the amount of principal interest paid on a loan monthly or yearly. Once completed, the spreadsheet can be used to quickly determine the payments required for any loan amount, interest rate, and term. Enter the following data in column B for the loan payment calculation. So, click on column B to the right of amount of loan. We're going to type 5,000. Interest rate 0.06. Term 12. Ending balance 0. Payment type 0. Payment per month equals PMT, starting parentheses, B2 divided by 12, comma, B3, comma, minus B1, comma, B4, comma, B5, in parentheses, and hit enter. Total payments equals B7 times B3, hit enter. Total interest equals B8 minus B1. Note that the interest rate used here is for a full year, but the term is in months. The interest rate must be converted into a monthly rate. The loan will be fully paid off at the end of the term, so the ending balance will be 0. Note, because the ending balance and payment type values are both 0, the last two arguments of the function could be omitted in this case. In cell B13, so go to B13, enter equals B1, and that represents the initial loan amount. And C13 equals $B, $B, $7, which we know that to be a absolute reference. And D13 equals B13 times $B, $2 divided by 12, and that calculates the amount of interest paid for the month. This formula will show you the amount of interest to be paid in the first month. You'll be copying this formula, which is why the annual interest rate in cell B2 is an absolute cell reference. In cell E13, we're going to type equals C13 minus D13, and that calculates the amount of the loan paid for this month by subtracting the interest paid from the monthly payment. And then in F13, we're going to type equals B13 minus E13. That calculates the remaining balance left to be paid by subtracting the amount paid toward the loan from the beginning balance of the loan for the current month. Whew. Go to the next one. In B14, type equals F13. Oops, I forgot. Equals F13. And what that is it copied what was in this cell right here. Copy the range of cells C13 to F13. So we're going to highlight all of those. And we're going to click on this bottom right hand and drag it down, and that copies those formulas. So if you see here, this is still referencing that, and you see all of those are done correctly. Copy B14 to F14 to B15 to F24. So we're doing the whole table. The end balance in F24 after the last payment is made is 0, showing that the loan has been completely paid off. So you see right here, that is 0. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Select cell B26 and enter equals PV, starting parentheses, B2 divided by 12, comma, B3, comma, minus B7, comma, B4, comma, B5, ending parentheses. Select cell B27. I'm wondering. Yeah. Select B27 and enter this. I'm going to copy it. Control C. Control V. I don't want it bold. So there you go. Let me do this. There. I matched the destination formatting. Because the IRR function, which you will add in step 4, requires the initial principal to be included in the range of cells as a negative number, the loan amount must be added to the top of the list of payments. So select cell C12, and enter minus 5,000. Select B28, and I'm going to copy this. Control C. I'm going to go here and I'm going to paste using the destination formatting. The worksheet should now appear similar to this, and I think that ours does. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Display the NPER worksheet. Enter the following data in column B. The amount of loan, 5,000. Interest rate, 0.06. Monthly payment, minus 325. Select B4, and we're going to enter this. Control C to copy, and I'm pasting that. The NPER function forecasts that the amount of time it will take to pay off the 5,000 loan with a 6% annual interest rate by making monthly payments of $325 is approximately 16 months. That's that amount there. So mark that as answered, submit results, and this completes using financial functions.